Welcome to Mehran Engineers Forum, your source for insights into the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of game design, a field that has transformed from simple pixelated games into a multi-billion-dollar industry that blends art, technology, and storytelling. From early arcade classics like Pong to the immersive, narrative-driven experiences of today, game design has continually evolved, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in interactive entertainment. Modern game design is about creating experiences that resonate with players on multiple levels. It's not just about stunning graphics or complex mechanics. It's about crafting worlds that feel alive, telling stories that captivate, and designing gameplay that challenges and rewards. Today's designers use a blend of art, technology, and psychology to create games that offer deep, immersive experiences. Whether it's an indie game with a unique art style or a blockbuster title with a cinematic narrative, the diversity and creativity in the industry are greater than ever. But what does the future hold for game design? The next frontier is already upon us, with emerging technologies like virtual reality VR, augmented reality AR, and AI poised to revolutionize the way games are designed and experienced. These technologies are opening up entirely new possibilities for how players interact with game worlds. Virtual reality VR is perhaps the most transformative of these technologies. Imagine stepping into a game where you're not just controlling a character on a screen but are fully immersed in the game world, experiencing everything in first person. Games like Half-Life, Alyx are already showcasing the potential of VR to create incredibly immersive experiences that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Augmented reality AR is another exciting development. Unlike VR, which creates a completely virtual world, AR overlays digital content onto the real world. Pokémon Go was a massive hit because it brought the game into players' everyday lives, blending the physical and digital worlds in a way that felt fresh and exciting. As AR technology improves, we can expect even more innovative uses in game design. Artificial intelligence (AI) is also set to play a significant role in the future of game design. Advanced AI can create more responsive, intelligent, and realistic non-player characters and NPCs, making the game world feel more alive. AI can also be used to personalize gaming experiences, adapting the game's difficulty, storyline, and mechanics to suit each player's style and preferences. Imagine a game that evolves based on your actions and decisions, creating a unique experience for every player. Moreover, the concept of procedural generation is gaining traction, where content is generated algorithmically rather than manually by designers. This allows for the creation of vast, dynamic worlds that are different each time you play, offering endless replayability. Games like No Man's Sky and Minecraft have already demonstrated the potential of procedural generation to create infinite, unique experiences. Finally, there's the idea of the metaverse, a collective virtual shared space that's often seen as the next big step in the evolution of gaming. In the metaverse, games could evolve beyond standalone experiences into interconnected, persistent virtual worlds where players can interact, share experiences, and even create their own content. This could fundamentally change how we think about games and their role in our lives. The world of game design is constantly evolving, and the future promises even more exciting developments. At Mehran Engineers Forum, we're here to keep you informed and inspired. If you're passionate about game design and want to stay ahead of the curve, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Let's continue exploring the incredible possibilities of game design together.